Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see from the title, I'm doing a cloud face makeup. Actually, yeah. So I'm just adding some clouds here and there on my face, not all over, you know, just a bit on my forehead, on my nose, and like the T-zone there. So just stay tuned. So I'm just adding some pink and I'm just building that up and blending it out nice and smooth, guys. So I'm just building that up some more, adding a brighter pink over that one. I know my eyes look crazy, and I'm just blending that out with a nice clean brush and just blending the edges nice and smooth. So for my lids, I'm using a nice glitter light pink, and I'm just placing that on my lids and blending it out as well. So I'm just taking the white liner, and where I made the cut crease, I'm just using it right there. So now it's time to finish up the face, and I'm priming and moisturizing right now. Then I'm going straight in with foundation. You guys might know my routine from here, so I'll get back to you when I'm adding the clouds. So I'm just taking some of the same pink eyeshadow that I used earlier in this video and just placing that directly where I'm going to make the clouds in my face. So I'm using the clown white to create my clothes, and I'm just making them some small, some big. Any pattern you guys want to make them, you can make it in any shapes, and it doesn't have to be the same shape. So I'm just going in with the same pink that we've been using from beginning, and I'm just going over each cloud. Instead of having it all white, I want it to just add some more pink to it. Yeah. So we're going in with a little bit more pink, and we're just lightly like trying to blend it together a little bit, not too much, because if you do it too hard, the chroma will spread all over your face, and you don't want that. You don't want your face to mess up, so you just lightly pat it on and stuff like that.